Hello there, beautiful people. Today I will be reviewing the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. This is the refill pack. They're ultra soft cloths. It's a patented formula that dissolves all traces of makeup, even waterproof mascara. It's 25 pre-moistened towelettes, 7.4 inches by 7.2 inches, or 19 by 18.5 centimeters. They're gently, effectively dissolves all traces of dirt, oil, and makeup in seconds. Superior cleaning technology is so effective it easily removes even a waterproof mascara, which is pretty cool. It leaves skin thoroughly clean with no heavy residue, so there's no need to rinse afterwards. So if you're pretty lazy like I am at night, these are really great. They're ophthalmologist tested, so they're good for sensitive eyes. It even says that you can use it around your eyes for if you have contact lenses, which I don't. It's allergy tested and alcohol free, which alcohol dries out your skin, so you definitely don't want that. So I pulled out a wipe from the pack here, and you can see I put a bunch of different makeups on there. Okay, so I have a hand here with brow powder, eyeshadow with a primer, some mascara, a teal eyeshadow, or teal eyeliner, and red lipstick. This is one of the towelettes. Like I said, it's about 7.5 inches, or 7.4 inches by 7.2 inches. And I'm going to show you, you just wipe. There goes the brow. You can see it right on there. This is the eyeshadow. Let's go in for that. This one looks a little tougher. It's tougher, but still taking it on. Might have to rub a little bit more. Oh, still there. Let's keep going. It should come off. You might have to work a little harder with these, but they do work. Now this is some waterproof mascara, which comes right off. All here you can see all that on there. This is the teal eyeliner. Wow, that took that right off. That's super easy. And then my favorite, red lipstick. Seems to come off not too badly. Usually leaves a stain. I'm going to use this cloth as much as I can to clean my hand. And it looks like it's pretty much free. I've been using these just for a couple weeks. A friend recommended them to me. If you look at this, it looks like a clown makeup scare, like a clown murder, but it's all makeup. So it effectively does exactly what it says, does not leave heavy residue. It's just nice and clean. Here's all your makeup. This would be like your makeup from the day on your face, all on a cloth. So yeah, for the price point and the value for having the peace of mind that you've cleaned your makeup off before you went to bed, the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes pretty much do what they say they're going to do, and I enjoy them. I like them so far. I think they're good, solid 4 stars out of 5 stars. I have other makeup removers that I like a little bit better, but this one is an all-in-one cloth that you can just rub all over your face, which is great. And I don't know where they're located. Oh, actually it's made in the UK but distributed through Los Angeles. You could definitely carry these in a big handbag. You wouldn't want to put it in a teeny handbag, but definitely, you know, that's something a mom definitely does, is stocks their purse with makeup wipes. You never know when you need to clean up makeup. Sometimes you have a smoky eye, it's a little too smoky, and you need to clean it up. So the Neutrogena Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, they're definitely ultra soft, dissolves pretty much all traces of makeup, even waterproof mascara, and they come in 25 pre-moistened towelettes, 7.4 inches by 7.2 inches. It's a great thing to add to your makeup arsenal, but don't take my word for it. Try it out yourself, and thanks so much for watching.